In a land where every structure is crafted from vibrantly colored wooden blocks, miniature construction workers labor day and night. No taller than a pinky finger, yet capable of heaving mountain-sized blocks with the aid of magical hammers. One day, a peculiar block refuses to be placed, as if it has a life of its own. In the Cloud Kingdom, a rainbow bridge is needed for the fairies to cross. Miniature workers in golden helmets begin assembling it, color by color. But when they reach blue, the rainbow paint disappears, and they must seek the hidden source of blue in the Dream Lake. In a silent valley stands a stone temple that sings when built correctly. Miniature workers carve each stone with tiny chisels. But as the temple nears completion, the sound produced is not a melodious song, but a mysterious scream as if warning them. In the fairy tale desert, workers construct a sand tower that never collapses, even in a storm. The secret is mortar made from dream grains. But one night, the mortar disappears, and the miniature workers must cross the sea of stars to retrieve the stolen dreams. The entire city is governed by a giant clock that moves day into night. Miniature construction workers are tasked with repairing the clock's gears, but when they delve into the clockwork, they discover a door to a parallel world where time runs backward.